My name is Jason Lavigne. My title is I'm a manufacturing engineer at Lavigne Manufacturing. Lavigne Manufacturing is a CNC turning and milling job shop. We have about 45 pieces of equipment. We run 24 hours a day, about 5.5 days a week, and we have a variety of customers across different industries. We make a lot of bearing components for customers that serve the aerospace, automotive, and oil and gas industries. And we do components that go into building products and construction products, valves and process control, and medical devices as well. It's probably around 94, 95 actually that Lavigne Manufacturing started a relationship with Methods. The nature of our work has changed. At that time we were doing significantly more higher volume work. We had processes where our level of automation was not very significant. So you'd have, a load, first operation, a second operation, and a job which would really benefit from something that can do it more automated. We got into buying the Nakamura TW20s. Those machines are great because you can load bars in and have really a complex combination of turning and milling processes, and then finished parts coming out on a conveyor. It gives a huge boost to productivity, but then also to quality, because you're not having those extra handlings and the risks for errors along the way that come along with those. So that was a big deal. Our relationship with Methods has sort of evolved with our needs as well, and our customers' needs. Time ago was more the higher volume, just steady running. You don't make too many parts, but you make a lot of them. Increasingly, we see shorter run, higher complexity, higher demand for precision. Robo drills are the other huge side of that. I think at the moment we probably got about 14 of them or something like that. Love they continue to get better. But especially the long bed robo drills, again, for us, flexibility is a big thing. So we have a long bed robo drill with a rotary table in it, and still plenty of room. If you're not using that, you can still make use of the rest of the table space. Great if you have a multi-operation, multiple holding type of a job in a machine like that. Tool capacity is great. Just good all-around machine, and then they're easy to use. They're flexible in the sense that, again, if we have a change in customers' demand or something that's urgent, you don't need to wait for that one machine that it runs in to open up. You've got processes can get run in various machines very easily with very little change, and that makes a big difference for us too. So it helps us to meet our customers' expectations. Service too, I think, is an important thing for us. We're still relatively small and not likely to just sub out every little repair or troubleshooting operation to an outside source. So it's a big deal to us to have good phone support and diagnostics and troubleshooting, so that if we have an issue in the middle of the day, we can have it resolved by second shift, or something like that, rather than being down. That makes a big difference to us too.